Hello everyone, Sayed here with another video. There are a lot of users who use Office applications on Mac. In this video we will see how we can download, install and activate Office on a Mac computer. Open a browser and go to office.com. Sign in with your work, school or personal account that has the Office application subscription. On the Office homepage, you will see Install Office at the top. Click on Install Office options and select Premium Office Apps. As we can see, the download has started and it can take some time to download it. Usually the size of Office is around 1.5 gigs, so we need to wait until the download is complete. After the download is complete, do a double click on this setup. Now we will see the installer page. Click on Continue. Click on Install. We will be prompted to provide Mac credentials to continue the installation. The installation has started and it can take some time to install Office apps. The installation is successful. Now click on Close. Move to Trash. Click on OK and we can close this one. Click on Launchpad. So we will see all Office applications installed: Work, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneNote and OneDrive. To activate Office, open any of the Office applications. So we need to sign in with our Office 365 account to activate Office on Mac. So click on Get Started, click on Sign In, type in Office 365 account. Once the authentication is complete, we should see this message. Click on Start Using Word. Click on OK. So to verify the activation of Office applications, click on Word. About Microsoft Word. Here we can see that it says belongs to the Office 365 account, which means that it has been activated using this ID. So this activation should be replicated across all Office apps. We don't need to sign in into individual accounts. So if we activate it on one application, it should replicate across all applications. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will be coming up with more tutorials on Office on Mac. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.